Welcome to Locksmith Videos Online, the next generation of online education. Locksmith Videos Online is a website full of start-to-finish videos and tutorials. It is the largest video library in the world today. Each video and tutorial on this website was filmed from 3 and 4 different angles at the same time, designed specially so you will not miss a single step. How does it work? All you have to do is follow a few simple steps. Choose the car category from the many options available. Choose the key type that you want to program. Make sure that the vehicle make, year, and model appears in the description list below the video. And follow the video step by step.
Okay, and if I'm going to press on the brake and on the push start engine, okay, you can see and also hit.
It's that easy. Each key comes with a few different options available that you can choose from. Option number 1. How to program one key when all keys are lost. Option number 2. How to program 2 keys at the same time. Option number 3. How to program one key when you already have one programmed key. We've got you covered for any situation that you may face in the field. You can also choose to use our advanced search engine. Just type the make, year, and model of the car and press enter or return. Then choose the key that you want to program from the suggested videos. And follow the video step by step. At the description below each video, you can find important information related to that specific key. For example, is it possible that the new key that you're about to program will erase the old key, or maybe not? Don't have any previous knowledge? No problem. Locksmith Videos Online is designed to give anyone, with or without experience, the knowledge of a professional on his first day. Just follow the videos. That's it. Go to www.locksmithvideosonline.com to watch some of our free videos. Locksmith Videos Online. Become a professional with a click of a button.